Yo, a team for a multi and also more motion and then area double thing in area we me there will be as he said or should the great Bahoma Juju a more comfort back and the most powerful in the whole world, and I say back mostly about Africa Hanoma, the number one. I don't know it because India America number one are Kung Fu Pinuntia say minim African country are main course and Messiah Peninfluo, Messiah other countries beyond a spiritualist and it will be a operating. And then when we come together or when I put them together and now baby I'm a call here no na share baby I'm meeting and I see myself to be the number one. Until I think that makes me to always say the greatest and the powerful and the great one among all. Until any chia you better abosunomasi and in penny for I say any yanano my ama meto or my idea any being home or more ja adepa amaye any more adepa my no yeniji if san say you any gym Yankopon ama afiwi abeto your why say make us Yankopon ama afiwi abeto and say I believe in anything I do say adi we na me eno na me de ma green me bibi asisu menim say ansa na me to me anya attention na masa ade no me jimi hundi because though me to me ka say Yankopon ni wi ase ti na me say ye de nyame ase what I say but de me no me gidi and me sorano pa eno na I look up to that what I say nti say me ka say ye de nyame ase ani ye de nyame ase say afefo for ba beto ye na year 2017 akona wi mu obi a wetu na mo aba the great Bahoma bosom yi bia no ehunu emfaso a wonya no wa ha ensisan ya aba na brabom enyema pia anase japade a wetu ni aye just because of say nanam tu about the great Bahoma bosom no wetu ni anya. I'm always grateful and I'm chia obi especially mo abuchi me to Omomo land in Spain, Italy, Holland, Finland, the countries in Dawson, and Nichia would be say because me I'm a spiritualist, but I'm a Muslim. Until I mean be Brunia, but most of the people that I really pay attention to, Muninano. Omoye Christ for and say let's say Omudi Brunya. Until I just send my greetings to Omomo down Egan. I say Omomo Buchi Omowa Manone Omomo African countries who be what you are about the great Bahoma Juju Bosom. I wish him a happy Christmas and also a happy good New Year. And then I will say I'm grateful, and I'll always be grateful because you people make me strong, and your words keep me moving. Because say move to me back out, it in the case Bahoma na yesi mami, and I say Bahoma, oko Bahoma nchenya obetumi solve problem ama obi a wetu na mo di onye ntu na mo ma ye dia fe no betu na mo ababia no cha obi a na me shi obi a so no happy Christmas and then happy New Year. And then I'll put it to you, say, wow, unyamba the great Bahoma bosom. And for whom me show moon, who be shimwa, and I'll be who a dancidium who foodi, any or more was a song my brabo, or more my brabo, or more munyeska, or more mercy or more you or more casa properties. More first no rent stores, but and then the great Bahoma Juju bosom nintino they own stores, meaning as a store because initially they were rented, but omudi who share bosom no for so power many also amane or more bravo assisano. What in China, Memudi me can't say to an among baby say, I will let you know, say. Aha the right place as I say to an amomba. Me no wa be mu e wa konsumu na se malam fo. And then one show me and now show me free the Great Bahuma Palace war based in Kumasi and about so north and about so Accra. Until I was the enemy person for food na tia tia say me do bi asese wo to anamopa e dey aba the Great Bahuma bosom nenim na afi e ba na wiye nkofu piu to anamo e ba me nchene fa omu di brunya nti the enemy person ahwefo tie ni say ana say me dey ma wo mo ene e was some few time we say me da obi ase say the obi aye e dey ama me bia na so many because the forecast say Ubi chewa dear grandpa, just be grateful. And I say Adi Ubi wo Adi you to ma you have to be grateful to the person but because you be an wakuma obi to me aye achede sa ediama. I took it say it will say Madam wants it will phone so but I want to take this short video at the Wishimo halfway. We wish you be a happy Christmas and from Christmas and also I'm not a film ever new year, so I wish you a happy new year too. And then actually now most of them I think I should let people see them. These are the actually for the front with the US and I think so. Maybe family when see because I always want people to be okay with that. So we have this here. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Until I'll make that one say for the why I'm and I'm much grateful for that. And then okay, so we have an envelope here. Wow. I feel like when we bring at the end of the Saka, and I'm much grateful for that. It's okay. So I will be moody now. Okay. Wow. Okay. Hey, and then the matter for no. We are HM scheme. And you're growing and the media saying I'm much grateful. Very much grateful, Madam Ase. And dear, my mom, as you can see. Okay. We have one thing here. So, Ade, Umunyina, Omanu Yabakwana. Okay. Because Ubi Nanka, Busuma Buana Yesa, and man on a problem, who is Kadia, a Macon for no fan. Why is it Bayoya? We have this here. Why is it Bayoya? Okay, so. And you bring as I was saying, media jamu because as will be a bring at the end a mood pan and many at the pan say when you do Munamutuana Moabami, maintain met me a woman almost to me say a day damasi and answer with the mummy, send me brunya at the end. Busum in time which no more do many and Cosso, the movie and Cosso. Okay, we have this here. How about that one too? Wow, that's so nice. Any actually, wow. Me dey me coupon say, and I made that. Obidia so working yes, I said we are. Hey, another one. I have one here too again. Same. Wow, that's nice. Okay, we have the name here. Okay, me that's it. Okay. So I don't spend Christmas, but you people have really let me feel like I am part of you. I'm also spending the Christmas, and the year is ending good for me for whatever you've done for me. So okay, we have another one here too. Wow, okay, we have the name here. That's it. Okay, we have it. Okay, do you know what I say? You can see yourself. Need to be good, so I think say we are envelope here. I'll show the new also. So that is why I show. So because I know anytime I make sure I put on a program and I tell me the program to and I say multi can you will be any whatever here. So okay, we have this. Oh, me red crap. We have another one here. Me that's it. Then his name is here, and then also okay. We have this here too. Wow, that's much grateful. grateful. Wow. Oh, me that's it. And I will go so on. You know, to say, me that will be Oshami, and what surprising me over this moment. I feel so touched. I feel I have people who care about me. I have something to look up to, and I look up to you people. Say me to me buamu, na mama me ni wase. Na all the time biya mama me coming hu ra enipemu. Na mama me coming hu ira konfum so I always be the most great one and really youngest ones look up to me. But if you look up to me, I'll always let you know, say, manokre indi wenim kind. Ma adia will be piano and kwe indi wenim kind. Yankopon, who see Quemuda, and as always, the great Bahuma Bosso Sunwa, on for me see Quemuda, and I drew with you, and a power or bebon by Ediamo. Achediano. Mostly, when Mummy Abuchesika. Then I said or more mutuana more mostly eba me channel ubi ohonoma or quentum and then say I fini bana we say bosom need to me at the cassia at the mawa who ye say $10,000 from each person. I don't think that they see to be anything. Me say what the essence are because if each person a does like a way just week from Monday to Friday achedia oma dia suma edunu entumi amba oma dia suma oma busuafo obi mu entumi ama omo da so ebi mu so ba omo ba madam fo bebre mo Germany and Spain, Italy and Holland and Belgium me do bia say I'm much grateful and I'll keep say me man no kwene di me kan me adwuma me ye bia no mujidi hamu no mo man nkuta mo saa na me hye mo bo se me mama ni ngu aseda na all the time bia me koso aye ne ma papa e dey faso ebe brem am be ne bibia ma me na me nsu na didi tin me dance. This is just a thank video I'm giving out to people that who have really taken a step to visit the Bahuma Shrine, and then I'm much grateful because if this is just for this week, and I have each person $10,000, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also Ghana cities. Okay, so this most of them are from Ghana, and most of them are not from Ghana. So I'm much grateful for their Christmas gift, and then I'll keep pushing, I'll keep working hard, I'll keep standing for you guys who live in Ghana abroad, and always fight that nobody should be able to stand on your way. I'll say Wabrabo, and I say, hey, nobody should be able to stand on your way. That means the great Bahuma Juju. I'll give the person a chance to harm you or do something that will lead you to something bad. No, I'll always stand for you and fight for you. So I'm much grateful for whatever you've done for me. And I know this is not all, but I can't bring all things that it's not only Sika. Or it's not only money that the people dash to me. If I can take you outside, they have a lot of stuff and cow, fowls, rice, a lot of stuff, and I'm much grateful. I'm really much grateful. And also, I want people who are watching me to listen that why we have all this is that people believe in me, and people who see me follow me, or they listen to what I say and they visit. And when you visit the great Bahuma Shrine, you'll be benefited. Immediately I'll be visited the great Bahuma Shrine, you'll be benefited. Yesika, Oton Adie Yento. If we are seeing in the whole world, like if we are seeing now or how be our woman say, and that's what I wouldn't say. Problem me kutauna problem biano me invite about the great Bahuma Juju ma so ya say me mo abamumbu e wa konfumu ana asema na fomu obiani mutuni ekutana obiani de bitina yi wo biasi Yakupon boy in Sao Winnie 9 epe, Yakupon boy in Ipe, Biani to be to me. But it's a maintenance. I see that this is the longest, and this is me. Until I invite you to come and put your problem to the great Bahumasha, and your life will never be the same.